fitness enthusiast to one of India's most influential content creators, Ranveer Allahabadiya, popularly known as Beer Biceps, has built an empire in the digital world. With over 27 million followers across platforms, he has interviewed Bollywood celebrities, spiritual leaders, and even top political figures like S. Shankar and Smriti Irani. But beyond the success, his latest remarks on India's Got Latent, a roast show, sparked major backlash. Now, who really is Ranveer Allahabadiya? How did he rise to fame? And why is he trending today? Let's dive into his story. An alum of Dhirubhai Ambani International School, Allahabadiya was born into a family of doctors and pursued engineering from Dwarka Das J. Sanghvi College of Engineering in Mumbai. On his official website called Beer Biceps, he wrote, and I quote, "I knew I didn't want to follow in their footsteps, so engineering seemed like the next best option." He started his career as a content creator back in August 2015. His content creator journey started with fitness and recipe videos before expanding to include content on self-development and styling, and eventually pivoting towards podcasting in 2019. He said, and I quote, "I was quite buff, which surprisingly led to some disdain from my teachers. Around the same time, I was going through a breakup and had fallen into the habit of partying every day. The wake-up call came when he flunked one subject and he decided to turn his life around." After graduating, Allahabadiya decided to launch a fitness app and came on YouTube to promote the app. Today, he has 9.6 million followers across 3 Instagram accounts and 18.8 million followers across 2 YouTube channels, and has interviewed actors Priyanka Chopra, Kareena Kapoor Khan, spiritual guru Gaur Gopal Das, and author Amish Tripathi, among others. Most recently, Allahabadiya has gained access to cabinet ministers like Nitin Gadkari and S. Shankar, all of whom have appeared on his podcast. He was also presented Disruptor of the Year award by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the National Creators Award last year. The podcaster is known for covering a wide range of questions across fame, finance, spirituality, and especially asking people about their fears and if they have thought about death. His most viral question being, "Maut ke bare mein sochte ho?" The latter has made him the subject of several memes on social media. He also appeared in the official video of singer Jasleen Royal's popular song Sang Rahiyo, which has 87 million views on YouTube since its premiere in 2020 and made it to Forbes 30 Under 30 in 2022. Allahabadiya also turned to entrepreneurship when he reconnected with his college junior Viraj Seth to manage him. Soon they identified a gap between emerging influencers and brands and co-founded Monk Entertainment, a talent management, social media management and influencer marketing agency. Their clientele includes chef Sanjyot Keer of Your Food Lab, comedian Niharika NM, and self-taught fashion designer Nancy Tyagi, who created a storm at the Cannes red carpet in 2024. The show India's Got Latent, known for its dark humor, and Allahabadiya are not new to controversies. Nearly a decade ago, Allahabadiya asked advocate J. Sai Deepak to name 3 individuals who should leave India and never come back, who named some journalists and historians, sparking outrage. In 2021, he received backlash for a sexist tweet suggesting that women wearing long kurtis and big earrings would bring men to their knees. Lately, he was also criticized for platforming an unverified claim about Muslim-only town in Malappuram. Meanwhile, Ranveer has issued an apology since. Here is what he said.